Comstar is your solution for voice, data, and infrastructure. We offer every single technology solution a typical office is utilizing today.
We provide a variety of technical solutions, from various phone systems to voice and data cabling, infrastructure security, audiovisual solutions, as well as IT services.
We're in a wonderful time where you can do an amazing amount of things with technology. And we're always looking for what the next advancements are going to be in technology and how we can bring it to our clients in the most efficient way.
Our client range is really dynamic and diverse. We have small accounting firms all the way up to Fortune 500 clients that literally have thousands of employees across the United States. Our relationship with our client is really built on more of a consultation type of approach. Really like to sit down and have discussions with them about how their business operates and how the systems we offer can augment that business.
When you're purchasing a solution from Comstar, it's going to be a full-time, long-term Comstar employee that's going to be doing that installation. We have an in-house support team, so when a client calls, they're calling not to an offshore call center, they're calling directly to our home office. That's a small company mentality that we will never grow out of. When I look back and think about what I'm most proud of with Comstar, it really is that I feel we did this the right way. What we are here to do is to service our clients, and that is the #1 goal of Comstar.